Hello everyone, in today's video we are going to see how you can fix yellow screen display on Samsung phone. To do that, you need to go to your settings, then scroll down, go on display, and from here you will see Eye Comfort Shield. It is enabled, disable it, and as you can see the screen is now back to normal. But if your screen is still yellow, then go to settings, scroll down and go to accessibility. From here, tap on vision enhancement, then check the color correction option. If this option is enabled, disable it. But if you are still facing problem, then go on color filter. If this feature is enabled, then disable it. So I hope you like this video. If you do like, please hit like, subscribe, and I will see you in next video.